20 Top Health Benefits of Sage Tea. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Sage tea contains iron, calcium, vitamins K, vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, manganese, magnesium, zinc, copper. 20 Top Health Benefits of Sage Tea. Antioxidants. Anti-inflammatory. Treats digestive problems. Treats gas, sometimes called flatulence. Treats stomach pain, gastritis. Treats diarrhea. Treats bloating. Treats heartburn. Treats depression. Treats memory loss. Improves brain health. Reduces the overproduction of perspiration and saliva. Treats Alzheimer's disease. Reduces menopause symptoms. Reduces blood sugar levels. Supports oral health. Protects against cancer. Improves bone health. Improves skin conditions. Lowers bad cholesterol. Fights infections. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.